member who is more committed in a relationship? This is the question I'm asking my viewers out there. You can post your comments on the video below. But to me, ladies, we put our time, our money, our emotions, we invest our whole being into the relationship. All ladies are
yes, psychologically.
Nanyan.
No what's maranying. It doesn't mean say man tina can't on the lady side. Or ba our relationship won't trust me. Or the need doing 100% love or the shame. Do you understand?
Yeah. So obey like about a relationship she's committed such that the obey ama when you be obey ama obey what she will start from out. You could be obey ama like but when you and kasa dey be obey ama when you be no obey so that relationship no be healthy. I don't know commitment no.
And even crampo no say e bia mako be aba. And I be a obey man no ko fie. Na so ba na cry bia we jawade won ho. Na so ka so odo me jami we want no. Oba ni so sa ho we ni mu bi mu. Obetumi atoto so mu ade ade na brew. Chale e man ye wo love bia. It's uncontrollable.
And the only man in our midst, he will agree with us that the
yes, because
a man, we invest more, we are more committed.
So can I talk?
Yes, you can flow.
I think you guys are trying to divert this whole issue about guys not being committed in your relationship. In a sense, so can I say more investing more money? How? More money. Listen, if someone me date here. Okay, when we date here, obviously I have to pay for your bills, maybe your clothes and other stuff. I have to provide you all these. About to me, man, discuss I think they be
about once in a while when
so like don't bring in money, because my mom investing money into us.
Oh,
we
some
do.
people,
some ladies do.
Some ladies
do, but don't say how many percent in the yes idea. Ask yourself.
On this note, you are watching us live from the studios of Ashtown TV. This is Diva's Date. Hello and welcome to the show. My name is Rockline Ejachem, and I have my usual ladies here.
Yeah.
Hello.
Ophelia and Claudia. And the only foreigner.
Yeah, Jason.
The only man in our midst.
Yeah.
Mr. Free, but for some reasons his name, he said he is called Mr. Jason. I don't know about that name yet. Mr. Jason.
I'm here to defend the guys. The guys association, I'm here to defend them.
You're here to defend the guys. Right. We shall see about that.
Yes.
Well, when the topic is very controversial.
Yeah.
When we say commitment in a relationship, what's your knowledge about it?
I think commitment in a relationship is really broad. It talks about love, you devoting your time, your love, your money and everything into your relationship. Okay. So if you should devote your time and your love, that is commitment. That's per my view on
your time and love.
Your love and your money.
And your money.
Yes. Because without these three elements, there's no commitment.
So to you, only the guy provides the money.
Yes.
In what way?
No, listen. Guy, no. It is how do I put it? It is normal for a guy to give money to a lady, okay? Because anytime any girl wants her guy to provide for her, buy her shoes, buy her bags, buy her these or
without the lady
investing nothing. Nothing. Listen, I had a girlfriend who was always demanding. I need this, I need this, I need that, everything. But there hasn't even been a time or a friend can say, okay, my realization was that I was saying that like you need to change your wardrobe, your clothes. So
don't you think that was your lady?
Yes.
No, it is general.
It's
not
general.
No, listen. In my experiences in relationships, all the ladies have
all the ladies. All the ladies didn't invest their money.
95%.
No.
Ladies are the
you will be a soccer so sister were bought down.
Okay.
Dear now, old Beman, no pound to me to amount. Just tell me, name them.
How?
Or bet to amount.
When you age, listen.
Oh,
no.
So
it doesn't mean you say, Chinchina or someone miska. Maybe your time is welcome, but for you to say, you say, Uma miska, how?
Into no,
me Obama is coming in. Wow. In a way, everything in a way, and trying to bring down my reputation.
Jason is doing well when a woman provides money.
Oh, baby, I didn't say Oh, you man patching there, I say.
No.
Me pick a crab,
Come on.
Oh,
In a way,
baby,
But
show
what if
respect.
you are in a financial crisis?
No, I will still have to,
Hey!
Yes, no,
I don't know if it's for the cameras or he's
no,
being
like
real.
for real. If a lady gives me money, I just reject it.
Really?
Take it back. No, because I have my own money.
Financial crisis.
Even if yes, I also have to work my way through until
Are
I
you
get.
planning to marry this girl you are talking about?
Oh,
Like, I don't know, or it's just a hit and run.
We broke up last week, so.
No, I'm not talking about that. With you saying that if the girl provides you money, you won't accept it.
Yeah.
Then that means that you haven't sat down to think that
No,
I will marry this
Even
girl.
if you
in
marry
future.
I will.
her,
No,
even
the
if you marry her and you broke
No,
down at a
listen.
certain point, so if she gives you money, aren't you going to take it?
No, I'm not going to take it.
so
it's a lie.
generally, if any
I'm
woman
not going
tries
to
to
take
get money,
any lady's
my
money.
side is a lie.
No,
Rockland, now
no.
you know, say
For my home, I wasn't brought up that way. Like taking ladies' money, I wasn't brought up like that way. So you can't just tell me yes. That's how I was.
How
brought up.
about she packages it in a form of
Maybe
a gift?
when it's my birthday or something, some nice
Okay,
package.
not
That one
It's
is
the same as
birthday.
No.
investing money.
money.
It's the same.
No, it's a surprise. Like
It's a
that's
surprise.
what- you see, tell money.
It's
Tell money.
surprise.
No, listen. I said I'm gonna come. We are my question. We are money. Tomorrow.
Oh,
But again,
no.
let's face reality here.
Mm.
Okay. So Obama Misika say be I'm one chair now. So if you say be I should be giving this money so I can just sort myself out. Fine, a good thing is over. But me and some man, I would never take money from a lady. Because I have friends that they would also offer me help.
Okay, what if say your friends, they are financially
No, they will help me. They will help me.
It's a must.
No, it's a must. They help me because I have friends that will.
So
Yes.
with you, the guys, they are more committed in the relationship.
Very committed. Listen, I'm also an example. Your Bemaka saw about anything about your man. Even if say any new time I want to.
And you think the girl wouldn't do anything?
And
Yes.
then I'll be. You just
It's
call
what
me.
you're
It's
saying.
what
No,
girl
No,
like,
then I'll be.
yeah, my
Offer
order.
baby, my feel. I want you to see me.
It's
When
an
you- no,
emotional
listen,
investment.
Emotional investment, like how? Oh, come on. Oh, there,
Hey,
everything.
it's our emotions involved here.
Oh, Jason, my feel, send me home. Oh, come back, man. When you see.
Hey,
No.
Oh, really?
What are there any value to the relationship? Let me see. African girls or someone to me at times them who say more friend me and now friend like I say be my feel. Eh normal, but any day being outside they be my friend baby. My feel brand is no. And then I want to ask remember they be I didn't say how it many scar because the man move piska. Yeah.
that is the point. You see what she said. More Jane said that we are more benyes. That is where the lady
No.
are in.
No,
Yes,
listen.
to
If-
support.
Right now, if I'm dating, if we are dating and I'm broke, obviously, like you might leave the relationship and go for another person.
Oh, how so?
Wow.
It's
Oh, come
not-
on.
no,
It happens.
everybody
No,
do
it
that.
happens everywhere.
No.
It happens. Listen, if
No,
I'm broke,
always.
no.
It happens only when the lady is not being real.
Yes,
No.
not being true.
I've seen some
So
like
you
I had a
should,
friend.
you
I had a
should
friend.
know how to select.
The right person.
Yes.
No, always we have the right person. By the end, like, they all be, oh, I say, you program once in a program put that. A man got an African man. I'm
Please,
like,
My
yeah,
girls,
like let me
what-
say,
what
come
are
here.
you
Talking into African ladies.
Please defend
Someone would say
them.
it's your character.
Hey.
No.
And we,
Oba.
always about the
Oba
money, the money thing.
Oba bi wo no mo a. On say sisi anu youth na ba no we are all into money thing.
No,
But trust me, ye will be wo no mo te ho.
Ophelia, hold your breath.
Onye na dream say obe love you because of money.
Hold your breath. I will come back to you.
Okay.
Yes. Really? If you just tuned in, you are watching us live from the studios of Ashtown TV. This is Diva's Date, and we are still discussing the controversial topic: men and women who are more committed in relationships. Ophelia, you were saying
Yes. On say oba Okajem says so oba bi piska because of ladies we are all into money. All we know is about money.
It's obvious. It's
Send
obvious.
you to me say nowadays be no case we ni so a virgin who need work Africa no. Sounds so yes I will be up to now ka so per virgin obey
you will get, you surely get some.
oba on the name disikechi now bet now in your financial crisis bet now one crocro e man na be me man na sometimes
Is
they are some way they are something oba be do we na koma nyina ma no be nyes kan we jai ni si wona akofo bi foforo all name so ope oba ope de onu ni onim water
refined one.
Yes,
and so that is where you get the refined one.
I'm shocking sir so cause go say African ladies you all know it about money.
Miss Makasa, can I come?
You can talk.
I'm say Okasa or Meki, we say Mayman say be a motor so mudi I say be money broker. Nana Beniska no jai or banny floor. Listen, me say me no dainty and I say oh show love to me. There's no way I would like forget about you. I'll just dump you for nothing. So Beniska me because I know say what you are Debia Mameda. Something unforgettable.
Ain't in a what we say
unforgettable.
Oh, your love. We can keep it.
Thank you.
Are you saying the guys no say like in Donna, we don't have time, we don't have love.
But you just said you're always about
money. What I'm
money.
saying is we have every time that your time might be beer. Your time I did dog, your time I did pisca. Sorry, I say. So if you call me and I'm in the workplace and can say, baby, they are busy. No, me pisca be free. Send a baby a ma. And if you say, if you're more finna in your shade, we can talk. You can get to me all the love and all that.
Or say diverted.
No, they make me diverted. I'm not diverted.
You said your love, your time. Into how one would say, women are more committed.
Yes.
No, listen. The same way more love, more time. The same way is also the same thing. You also have a love and time.
And
say
time
I make no. And you say be any time I for my mom. Time I say it be a me wejuma. My busy wejuma is obvious. No afraid me. Baby, something no casa. I need to discuss something with you. I'm like, oh baby, more wejuma. Or the mommy and be after work. Let me talk. Oh baby, you're always busy. Listen, let me tell you. I'm going to give him a submission patch on all the time I talk. So
really allow him.
Say, oh yes, I not in a way. I said, boy, no woman pressure. Men must be pressure. Me, so one hamia time be a man, baby, no, men pressure. Yeah, I'm person like me, I'm feeling like me, time person from my
A quick one. You said, men, you give your time, your money, your love.
Everything.
And you're saying that the ladies, we give our love and time. Where comes in the money?
The money is when we buy gifts for you. We buy you shoes, the clothes.
I'm talking about us ladies. No. Where do we invest our money?
In us, in a relationship.
Yes, in a relationship.
Nothing. You do nothing. You just yes. One of them would have to say, what sorry. Phone that one change. Oh baby, so how you doing? Like baby, I feel better than change. That kind of thing. And one of them, my moye. See, when she be more.
Mr. Jason, team, oh Cassano. What say what's a man? Any man say what for phone afro? Even at your workplace, cry now. Phone, hello baby, I want to discuss this thing with you. Now I catch your band and say, oh, now baby, that be more. You may my men pon me pon now. And I'm ya
no, hell no. You need to respect my time. Also respect my time. So about maybe I will school.
Maybe we need time more all you know is about to get money. So everything is about work.
You are all about money.
You need to respect my respect my time. My culture was a baby from 7 to 9. I'm always at the office busy. It's Mr. Calls be I am friendly. Until be an emergency. No friendly. 7 to 9, like in the hours of 7 to 9, one friend me. My very, very busy. Then he'd be like, baby, nah, so stop in the workplace, I'm so cool. I'm saying, so have you eaten? And so like I'm working, so I haven't eaten. Nah, I said, oh, besides,
no,
listen, let me see. She's asking now. Karen, fine, you're good, but my heart will say, sir, 7 to 9, maybe it's in framing.
You are watching us live from the studios of Ashtown TV. This is Diva's Date. You're welcome to the show. Today we are discussing commitment in relationship. So, Mr. Jason, you were saying?
Yeah, so, something I make remember, we put in our money, our time, and everything. Say, I mean, I had an experience with a friend. Not on a no the upper girl. But not girl, not getting treating. I be you and Ma Musubai.
That be me. You are telling me.
Ma Musubai said, if there's more plan out, oh baby, I'm thinking about it. I'll think about it. Now I take care of 1 year. So it took the guy 2 years. And now one day, guy need be out touch be a man, a friend or what me a credit no J. But at the end no, or banana penny. But for 2 good years, time of friend be a baby oh they came, I'm in time, I'm in jail home. I'll get back to you. So I get on the board. But you talk it with it. Attire obey. Bag obey. So you see, listen, say next time it's a guy or moving to a new relationship. Tell me, then obey. In you say be a member and you committed to. Again, it's now what the experience like we've been through before. And I'm idea, sir. But like I said, you committed pan, your time is it can be a mama, you find my mama. Or don't need them. Say the mom and tell blossom. More the mom. Indeed, Moka say, remember you committed that. Me a sure person man as someone making like
and my young swear committed pass or back as a Brad, don't go there.
I don't know so.
I bet you me the same thing as we are more the same thing.
Because there are women who take care of their
but there are few of them.
Few of them.
And
that's the same as
no, generally, remember share a ma chain ma. Sorry, a member share a ma a chain ma. Yes. Because you provide
not necessarily committed,
but
listen,
you provide.
The mechanism, like provision is different from commitment. Provision is different from commitment.
Yes, we know, but you are saying that generally you provide for women.
Yes, because
and then you're providing for the women. We are committing.
Like how?
The relationship.
Like how?
My girls explain.
No, listen.
Let him understand.
Provide
Mr. Free.
No, listen.
Mr. Free, please
allow me.
I'm sure somewhere mind.
Allow me, Mr. Free.
Okay. Yeah, what the time.
There is no a guy and be wasting the time. Any resources say oba be show oba na se bisa. Te say the oba be ka say na oba be stra. Oba say ama, oba aduane ama, oba ka say comedy. On ka say oh baby, let me go buy food outside. Oba ka say oh me wo fear dem ma me nya aduane ma. Definitely oba ye ubedi. Oh yes, so there is no oba ka say wundi.
And a bear man so share me man who was some idea to meet you when it comes to their time. Football. Oh, he and the pants of it now in jail. No, boy, you better just say,
no,
why am I in the way match?
No, listen.
That's what we are no. No, listen. About carrying my bema. Obefro, oh, honey, wait, did you not pay? Oh, did one year she crown will be so or care so much. Ain't no how many women now shot or my friend and a panny beside say, would you because or pill or dog. The baby sells or dog. We did. And I pay day, and now that I been our soon. On one time, Uncle being here, I think I owe the man Liverpool in the Chelsea bomb match. Or from our own picket. Say, dear, I'm part because I was selling some emergency
of course.
Before
any company, see, my catch will say, if you are from 4 to 5, make our football match into myself from your own yummy. Make sure football match. Timasi. Because be what you're buying. Let me say, sacrifice. That will depend on the situation I was friend before. If you are friend, say, be our mama yari. On here, like, if you are pisca, I'm down hospital. We're very emergency. But that one day, major born. But say, old friend, say, baby, I was thinking of coming to your place. So,
and what is the bad thing?
No, listen. See, me share football. Obey you over a day. Because like mention football. Listen, mention football, Pastor. Me give myself. Mention football, team. Mention football. Oh, 1 hour. Obey few best now. Obey board. Mini fee. If you come from the football now, me come baby, me come.
But you know one thing I've realized.
Time
they won't give you the time when it's time for football and all that. But the man they drew telenovela so. When the men they come in we stop everything.
Oh, Charlie,
telenovela
it's a nice point.
Nice point. You are talking about telenovela.
Nyamisha pass say okofasa me aba. Say fun sa super press na mo kan. Oh baby, what's me for baby? Baby na at saying and you mean tongue can to me for acha. Oh baby so like make sure come bag I'll call back. Like for real? Like seriously, let me say, I'm not here all time. Here all do at that very moment. What catch me so here come back here?
Ain't you know? Mr. Jason.
Menkasa, obefre. Maka just my mom some excuse be our big jammy. Because me fro, and can't me say oh here come back.
So you see, in that respect, you should give the same thing to the woman.
Oh, and I miss what you say.
Be a committed. Be a committed. So be a committed. What catch me say, me man kwane committed all time, money and everything. You are lying.
We do the most commitment.
Master,
ever.
We also do the most
commitment.
We
used to our commitment. Remember no.
This is new.
No.
This is new.
Ain't true.
Hey.
I'm looking at the show. When we say one guy say move free, move free.
So that makes you more committed than us.
See, Adam used to buy and say Adam. Then the house was eja. Say me namasa me new biana in your move. So okay, fine. That ho. Let me see. Oh, let me see. One thing I said, me commit me home. And my say, yes, we need me rib. I'm create your bar. That is commitment. So when you man, what the best I do?
Please, commitment be a Ophelia.
Commitment be soon say. Na me no the born you here. Omo fair fool. Why no committee nemre? And order to say line.
Oh, come on.
Charlie, don't go there. Oh, Baka said nemre ma wa.
9 months hardship. Say me am in Tiffy, me Tiffy nkwa. Say me ko pay adwuma, me ko ye adwuma, ebra aduane di. And I own di. When you my out. What's 9 months hardship? I said, oh, can I say them or 12 hours?
Oh, the pain, the labor.
No.
Will you carry the baby for us?
And then they natural so, but when you my idea. Pain in your film, and I'm not going to go for me. And then just I'm committed because Michelle will say, if you are in your labor, Michelle will say, be born in the angel. But what I say, I say, so Michelle said like provision, shelter, everything.
You see, he's talking more provision, shelter, time, the time and the care.
And say commitment, they can't say time, money, and love. No, element of commitment.
More of the provision.
Oh, commitment. You're free.
I still them say,
you're free relationship. I don't know if you want what they call Adam and Eve side. Young Casa, young family, many a papa. My pana. A banner, one real. Our women collated and your man getting old two party. So they build dear Bushian.
Naturally, a mouse have compassion for babies near. No, like it's natural, but so okay, so commitment. No, say okay, compassion and send your commitment.
Oh,
but naturally, listen, naturally. So about what Eddie and Obinya some love. Like I said, like your love man crown, but on say, if you are say be a take of the hardship you went through when you were in labor, and I said no one you and if you are more because if you are ban like a crown on to me in telling and the other. But remember you a dumb man because you are so I say, but okay say
I didn't know Mother's Day. I didn't know Mother's Day to be celebrated. Jamma.
Say, "Mamma, if you ask me, because yeah, and your mom come here.
Listen,
Say, any mum by yes, and I will.
Only the even for a person, Matthias here. Mother's Day no celebrating the baby.
It is the commitment.
Mama made the mom. But people will no more be work on a crowd. Oh, none of time crashing. I as well.
But you know, sometimes Oba no cry yari in a relationship. Oba ne be yari kakrabin. You see, the guy wouldn't even show concern, much concern. Please, wait.
Come on, oh, there be a
much concern about the but all them my baby man in yari. Be won't help the woman will be suffering. No, we are emotions. It's part of commitment. Oh, yes, the way you were like that, but I want to
so much concern.
That is showing
the same thing.
Come on. So, oh, Yari, my court a pharmacy shop. If you are Yari, my court, oh, damn, Mr. My girlfriend Yari, since in a hand, my dream from my girlfriend. I bet no. I don't present come me 12 hours by a mile and answer.
Oh, really? About
for real.
Okay,
that way now. What can
Mr. Jason, I bet you to say if it is 100, 50. 50.
No,
I say 80 30, 80 20.
70 30.
Let me come in with something. You know what? I know one friend a guy friend. I say a friend, the girl no need come. I say one man, I say girl no. I shall say to baby, careful.
See,
Okay,
it's childishness. Childishness.
Please.
Me no,
the guy is not feeling well.
Oh,
the guy is
come
not
on.
feeling well, so
no.
she's trying to make him feel better.
Won't me carry baby, my me feeling well. No.
Really?
So
baby.
Like,
you are even worsening my sickness. Oh, worsening sickness. Baby, calf. What is this? They beat me in person.
It's a natural.
I
need this kind of
They don't
compassion
have
or
that
compassion. The way I obasi too much no obasi.
Some can say compassion. And if he's saying trying to free
Yeah.
he's not trying to free.
How many guys?
How many?
We
have
how many guys say? How many guys say?
How many guys?
How many guys
It's
say?
only a few percentage. No one bet your girlfriends if he's a mom. Mr. Jay-Z.
Yes, because me don't continue like in the normal relationship because only my problem. Okay, if you be my problem, that would be say my wife legally. But I say it is normal now. Me show fees for 3 weeks. I go catch him and say, baby, you're sorry, you meet me class. No, hell no. Like there are so many instances I get to see. Taxi man or Okofanes, Nibia Ashana, from level 100 to level 2 or we school, or we are catching and say, would you not make up me back? Would you not say, oh, and I go to baby, so we done. Like, what your class view?
Okay, wait, I also have another scenario.
And then
where the woman was invested so much in the guy for the guy to be a doctor. Now later, I will catch and say, you are just the hairdresser.
What about that one?
It's
50. The thing is,
where is that commitment? Or providing you with school fees and all that.
I don't know, but it's saying you meet your class. Maybe
your class.
If I was my girlfriend, I would have to, do a little research, background, my shit. So if say, obviously you to my class before say medical make a move on you. So that's it. Inti say be fine. Why you invest so much in me? I'm a doctor. And I feel very Charlie hairdresser and doctor there.
But
see say like
hey,
see
where it goes. That is where the commitment comes
in. And
yes,
she used all her resources to support you.
That's also a normal student.
That is where the commitment comes, or you don't know that it's also a commitment.
When you invest in hey, my can't be sure. The case is DHI young boy. Into both sides.
It is 50-50. Viewers.
Listen,
it is not 50.
And if 50 patron in the row, both sides would be a show the comment, but remember there no sorrow. Say, but still, the kind of stress I'm the film, but still not stress. But from baby, yeah, make Kunkuma get me a train. What about stress from the film?
So to you, and then money are more committed.
Yes. And
sister,
no doubt.
When you say me cousin Mr. Jason, he
has
to make, and I say me or Bant and I make casa, and yes, I made the idea or bar and a devoting the time, money. So back us or saying it's our back as our bottom. Trust me, or back us or the Engan Canada business, sorry to say. Or move to me MPs and move you know love by one because of much young. Now I don't know taking advantage of it.
That be so. There is also deputy. As no can read ground. That is no Ayoba. They want animals.
Oh, how? She's talking from the
deputy. Or no chair say, so about say, or donors or castle investing you are like a bank financial there. Or boom, 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 boom. Into that be for something that I be for so it means that I be for yes, Edgeman. Yeah.
From a lady's perspective.
As now can
what from a lady's perspective.
It's young women take advantage of gas or get with Jimmy.
So no another woman.
No, no, to me the make us say a say 100%. Viewers out there, it is 50-50. On TS and maybe near 20.
So it means that no, and then your boss say you can you be no member name man, honey committed into Nipo.
Oh, what's it?
On
no,
but made
we so when it's by one against no one.
It is
one.
You can't vote like according to listen because you obviously say a money to listen. Obviously a money obviously a money there.
You see, she didn't side with us. So she said it's 50-50.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's
okay. Hey, the I can say no. Be a point. I want the Maya one saying no. Me when you say man the end should be somewhere 70, 80 and the guys should be 20 or 30. Because guys, make sure your points now raising like said the Miaka Sama your and I know. Me say but said was here committed relationship. Say the two money mema, more mema there now. More than 20%.
Or the kind, you're sure the kind true love.
Maybe you're sure.
You're sure I'm gonna do agape love, agape love. Remember, just a million. Intimacy, like my final submission. To me, Mema, we are more committed, 80%. Emma, someone tears, me and Jason Macam.
Pacho, I can't make me vote.
But then you say,
91% for the ladies and 9%.
Oh my own views now because
my viewers they are posting
91%.
They are posting
and the way the men Shana.
Oh, the men are siding with us, so you don't.
And them say, oh mommy, like for real,
they are siding with us. Darby, what is that? The men are siding with. You should see the comments.
And them say, oh yeah, who's a member?
No. I
said, but me, Jason, me, to me.
Celebrating man,
na comment no agiatum, but na no person be carefree na no. All right, this is all time will allow us for. This has been Diva's Date. Catch us same time next week. Let's vibe together, okay? Bye.